I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. Introducing first, they are Jesse Jackhammer and Jack Matthews. Together they are the Jackhammer Nation. And their opponents, they are the reigning and defending JWE Tag Team Champions, Psycho Jess and Spaz Smith. Together they are pioneers. And here we go. Psycho and Jeff are going out here. Spaz and Jesse Jackhammer. No, Jeff's going after Spaz now. Psycho's going after Jesse Jackhammer. Jesse Jackhammer and Psycho. Oh, drops him down into a helicopter spin. Jeff drops on top of Spaz. Now Psycho has Jeff. Breaks it up. Psycho in the corner. Jeff now jumps over the top rope. He grabs the ladder. Puts the ladder in the ring. Springboard cutter knocks both men down. Psycho rolls outside the ring. Jack puts the ladder in the corner. Now they're both attacking Spaz. Jesse Jackhammer is beating up on Psycho. DDT. Spaz now underneath the bottom rope, onto the turnbuckle, onto the apron, Jesse Jackhammer sets up the ladder. Psycho now. He's in trouble. No, he's not. He drops Jeff into the helicopter spin. Now Jeff rolls outside the ring. Oh, moonsault DDT. Springboard moonsault DDT. Connects. Spaz picks Jesse Jackhammer up. But Jesse Jackhammer misses. Into a DDT. Uh-oh. What's Jesse Jackhammer doing here? Off the ropes. The people's elbow. It connects. He picks Spaz up. Uh-oh. What's he doing here? Small package driver. It connects. Spaz is back on his feet. German suplex. Down goes Spaz. Spaz now. Back on his feet. Kick to the gut. DDT. Jesse Jackhammer's down. But he's back on his feet now. What are these two doing? Oh, they're just hitting off each other. Elbow to the face. Spaz picks Jesse Jackhammer up. Oh, Jeff knocks him off. Jeff hits him off the turnbuckle. Jesse Jackhammer now. Elbow to the face by Psycho on the Jesse Jackhammer. The ladder falls down. Jeff gets yeeted over the top. Armbar being applied there by Spaz under Jesse Jackhammer. Psycho now. Canadian outbreak. Oh, what a kick to the gut. Psycho's really pleased with himself. Just back in the ring. He goes after the middle of... Oh! Psycho hits the springboard cutter. Spaz now picks him up. Small package driver. Jesse Jackhammer now. Fisherman suplex by Psycho. The ladder is down. Uh-oh. Psycho has him up. Small package driver. Jesse Jackhammer is outside the ring. Here comes Jeff. Jeff now fighting off both men. Into the corner he goes. Down he goes. Psycho puts the ladder into the corner. Jesse Jackhammer's back in. Jesse Jackhammer's over the top. Punch. Apron DDT. Jeff's down. But Jeff's back up. Elbow to the face. Spaz is down. Jeff's climbing up. Spaz is not moving. One rung. Two rungs. Uh-oh. Jesse Jackhammer. Oh, no. He was looking for the jackhammer, but missed. Jeff's down. Jesse Jackhammer has Psycho up. Throws him off the top rope. Hung him off the top rope. Jesse Jackhammer was climbing up the ladder. He punches Spaz. Spaz punches back. He's choking him. I told you, no chicken. Jeff grabs Psycho. Throws him over the top. Jesse Jackhammer's down. Jeff pushes the ladder away. Jeff's all alone in the ring with Spaz. Spaz grabs him. Jeff kicks him in the gut. Spaz is down. Spaz now picks Jeff up. Butterfly suplex. All four men are back in the ring now. Oh, middle rope drop kick. No, Jesse Jackhammer grabs the ladder. Oh, one ladder falls outside the ring. Psycho's getting beat up now. Psycho rolls outside the ring. Spaz is out there now. Jesse Jackhammer's all by himself. Here comes Spaz. Misses the elbow. Jesse Jackhammer's climbing. Spaz grabs him, pulls him off the ladder. Jesse Jackhammer punches. He got Spaz. Drops him down. Spaz is down. Psycho's back on his feet. Both members of the Jackhammer Nation are on top of the ladder. Psycho now. Is this going to be history again? Is it going to be history again? Is it going to be history again? They have done it! They have done it! Here are your winners. And the new JWE Tag Team Champions, Jesse Jackhammer and Jeff Matthews, the Jackhammer Nation. I'll be back.